Meanwhile, Bester's prison escape case has been postponed until February 2025. Some of the lawyers involved in the case telling the court that they will not be available for the remainder of this year. The co-accused, who include Dr Nandipha Magudumana and 7 others, face a string of charges, including helping Bester to fake his death in a fire to escape from the Mangaung Correctional Facility in May of 2022. Newzroom Afrika's Nqobile Madlala has more.
Thabo Bester's right to fair trial was in the spotlight as he, his girlfriend Dr Nandipha Magudumana and 7 co-accused appeared before the Free State High Court on Wednesday. Judge Kgosi has expressed displeasure at continuously postponing hearings, which he says it's costly to the defendants.
I would not want a situation where I keep on postponing this matter and requesting the other accused to come to court at great expense, because they must pay their legal representatives each and every time when they come to court.
However, due to the non-availability of some of the defense lawyers for the remainder of the year, the case has been moved to February next year.
The matter is now postponed until the 10th of February 2025. Accused numbers 1, 7 and 8, you are in custody. The rest, your bail is extended.
Bester's legal representative put it on record that they are not ready for trial. Furthermore, he revealed in court that Bester's condition at Kgosi Mampuru could affect his mental health.
Torture is not disputed. It's not disputed that he's incarcerated for 23 hours a day and only given 1 hour of exercise. They simply say that we act in terms of the Correctional Service Act. I can't, as a practitioner, remain supine when I see those violations, because ultimately, and this will then be argued in due course, ultimately and cumulatively, this would affect his mental health.
Bester released a statement before his latest appearance in court, criticizing what he regarded as the infringement of his constitutional rights at Kgosi Mampuru Correctional Facility. The so-called Facebook rapist also claims there are restrictions making it impossible for legal consultation as he is denied privacy. The Correctional Services Department, however, has rubbished his claims of ill treatment, but adds that strict security measures are being employed within the confines of the law in order to prevent any chances of Bester escaping again. Judge Kgosi would not be drawn into an argument of Bester's request for access to gadgets.
If you want to argue an accused fair trial rights, the criminal court is the place to do so. But now you stray beyond that in this application.
Meanwhile, Nandipha Magudumana's legal representative highlighted that they are also preparing for their case at the Supreme Court of Appeal, which could have a bearing on the trial. The Supreme Court granted Magudumana leave to appeal an order by the Free State High Court, which had dismissed her application to declare her arrest and extradition from Tanzania unlawful.
It is our belief that the SCA would not have accepted this particular matter to be heard in the SCA if there was no case to be argued there. But I still stand and fall by my earlier submissions that I have done everything in preparation for this matter. If I were to start a trial, I would be ready.
3 of the 9 accused, namely Bester, Magudumana, and the man who was reportedly their driver, Zanda Moyo, will remain in custody, whilst the others had their bail extended until the group's next appearance on the 10th of February 2025. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I am Nqobile Madlala in the Free State.